This video will show you how our reporting works and how you can customize it to show just the metrics or KPIs that is relevant to you. Agents start working, the system will collect information about what they do and how long it takes them. This information is presented in a number of different reports for different purposes. Let's start by looking at the agent performance report. Here you can view the performance of each agent and compare them to each other. Each of the metrics in the report has the number for the time frame selected and a trend, which is the difference compared to the last period. So if you are looking at the report for last week, the trend will compare to the number from the week before. If you are looking at a report for yesterday, the trend will be compared to the day before that. You can select what period the report should cover in the period drop-down up here. In this drop-down, you'll also be able to scope the report to specific lists, agents, and more. The default scope for the report is the lists that you have access to yourself. So for a user with the analyst role, the reports will only show data for the lists that they are assigned to. This ensures that only applicable data is shown, and the default report will usually include the scope that is relevant to the user looking at it. As the account owner, you will see all data regardless of what lists you are assigned to, but this is special to you. Other users will only see data for the lists they are assigned to. If your team is more than a handful of agents, you may benefit from the compact view. The compact view shows agent performance in a table-like layout to allow for more people, but with a smaller number of metrics per person. You can even expand the view and let the report auto-update for displaying on a big screen in the office or similar. Choose the list report if you want to view your data from a list perspective instead of an agent perspective. This report helps you understand how campaigns are performing overall. The detailed report can be used to dig deep into the data and even inspect individual leads. But let's turn back to the agent report for a moment and follow the cog icon to go to the configuration section. From here, you can select which metrics are important to you and remove the ones you don't need. Just drag and drop the metrics to create a tailored report just for you. Let's go back and see what happened to the report after making those changes. That's it for this video. I hope it gave you some idea on how to use our reporting to measure the performance of your team and your campaigns.